Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. I'm really happy you're here. If you've ever asked yourself questions like, why can't I speak English fluently? Why do I know English grammar but still hesitate when I speak? Why do I translate in my head before speaking English? Then this lesson is for you. Today, we are going to talk about one powerful idea that can completely change your English-speaking journey. That idea is thinking in English. Not memorizing grammar rules, not translating every sentence in your head, but thinking directly in English, naturally, confidently, and without fear. This podcast is designed for international learners, no matter where you are from, no matter what your first language is. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. Why thinking in English is important. Most English learners face the same problem. They learn English like this. First, they think in their native language. Then they translate that thought into English. Then they check grammar. Then they speak. And by that time, the moment is gone. The conversation has moved on. This is why English feels slow, stressful, and confusing. But native speakers don't do this. They don't translate. They don't think about grammar rules. They simply think and speak at the same time. That's the real secret of fluency. Fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about thinking naturally in English. How your brain learns a language. Let's understand something important. Your brain does not learn language through rules. Your brain learns language through patterns, repetition, and meaning. Think about how you learned your first language. No grammar books, no tense charts, no vocabulary lists. You listened, you copied, you repeated. And slowly, your brain started thinking in that language. You can learn English the same way. Age does not matter. Country does not matter. Education level does not matter. Only practice and mindset matter. The biggest mistake English learners make. The biggest mistake is this: trying to think in your native language and then translating into English. Translation kills fluency because translation is slow. Translation creates fear. Translation creates confusion. Instead, we must train our brain to think, speak, understand, all in English. Step 1. Start with simple English thoughts. You don't need big words. You don't need long sentences. Start small, very small. For example, instead of thinking, I am feeling a little tired today because I didn't sleep well last night, think, I'm tired. That's it. Simple English is powerful English. Your brain learns faster when the language is simple and clear. Daily thinking practice, very important. From today, start doing this. Whenever you do something, describe it in English in your mind. For example, you wake up. I'm waking up. You brush your teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. You eat breakfast. I'm eating breakfast. You go outside. I'm going to work. I'm walking. It's hot today. This is how you reprogram your brain. No pressure, no grammar stress, just thinking. Why this method works? Because your brain loves repetition. The more you think in English, the more natural it becomes. At first, it feels strange. Then it feels difficult. Then it feels normal. Then it feels automatic. That's fluency. Step 2. Stop worrying about grammar. Let me say this clearly. Grammar is important, but not at the beginning. Children speak before they learn grammar. You can do the same. If your sentence is not perfect, it's okay. I no understand. I go yesterday. He don't like coffee. These sentences are not perfect, but they are communication. Fluency comes first. Accuracy comes later.
Confidence comes from imperfect speech. Many learners wait to speak until their English is perfect, but perfection never comes. Confidence comes from doing, not waiting. Every mistake is a step forward. Every wrong sentence is progress. Step 3. Listen a lot, but the right way. Listening is fuel for thinking. But don't listen passively. Listen actively. Choose simple English podcasts, slow English stories, daily conversation videos. Listen and repeat. Don't understand every word. Understand the idea. Your brain will connect the dots. Step 4. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. It's not strange, it's powerful. Ask yourself questions. What am I doing? How do I feel? What do I want? Answer them in English. This builds internal conversation, the key to thinking in English. Think in English, live in English. Change your environment. Phone language to English. Social media to English content. Movies to English subtitles, not your native language. Surround your brain with English. Motivation. You can do this. Millions of people around the world learned English. They were not smarter than you. They were not more talented than you. They just practiced every day. Small steps, consistent effort, right mindset. Before we end today's episode, remember this. You don't need perfect English. You need brave English. Start thinking in English today. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future fluent self is waiting for you. Thank you so much for listening to this lesson. In the next part, we will learn advanced thinking techniques. You are all invited to watch part 2. See you in the next part. Please subscribe to our channel StoryLearn English and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the video.